So yesterday Mi CC9 and Mi CC9e were launched, and from the recent leaks and rumors, this could be the Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite. Earlier it was leaked that Mi A3 would look similar to Mi CC9. Along with that, there are many similarities on its previous leaks as well. So is it worth your option? To know that, let's get to the rest of the video right after this. Mi A3 being Android One device, it will replace MIUI, but the rest of the specs will remain similar, although we can hope for a better processor than what Mi CC9 is providing. Design-wise, Mi CC9 looks stunning, and the credit mostly goes to the shimmering S design and a 3D glass body that adds to the phone's premiumness. Specs-wise, Mi CC9 features a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 403 ppi pixel density and 430 nits peak brightness, with a tiny notch up top. So this is not going to be similar to Redmi K20 series where you saw a pop-up camera. It is powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 710 processor paired with 6GB of RAM and Adreno 616 GPU. Internal storage options include 64GB and 128GB, with the option to expand further using a microSD card slot up to 256GB. This processor also powers the Realme X in China and also the Realme 3 Pro in India and China both. I know you would be disappointed if Mi A3 is launched globally with Snapdragon 710 processor, but hope for the best. Maybe they would change their mind and launch it with few changes as Realme is doing. Coming to optics, the Mi CC9 sports a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.9 aperture, and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and another 2 megapixel sensor for depth of field. Rear camera features include Super Night Mode, Portrait Mode Bokeh, HDR, Panorama, 4K video recording, slow motion video recording at 960 fps. On front, the phone is equipped with 32 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture as well. Front-facing camera features include Memoji shooting, AI portrait mode, 3D beauty, front panorama, gesture photo, front HDR, front screen fill, face recognition, and lot more. The Mi CC9 packs a 4030 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. Connectivity options include NFC, 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, Bluetooth version 5, Wi-Fi, and lot more. Key features include in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, game turbo 2.0, and high-res audio. And there is also the Mi CC9e, which could be the Mi A3 Lite, but that's not interesting as Mi CC9. The Mi CC9e comes with 6.088-inch HD Plus resolution with AMOLED display, Snapdragon 665 processor, which is a minor upgrade over Snapdragon 660, and no NFC. But it's not that bad. It features the same cameras like Mi CC9. It also has in-display fingerprint scanner and same battery, and all that comes at a lower price point of Rs 13,000 approximately for 4 plus 64GB model. For 6 plus 64GB model, the price is Rs 14,000 approximately, and 6 plus 128GB, it's 16,000 rupees. See, I told you it's not that bad. Now let's get to the pricing of Mi CC9. The base model goes for Rs 18,000, which is for 6 plus 64GB, and 6 plus 128GB goes for Rs 20,000 approximately. So indeed a good option. Xiaomi hasn't hinted at Mi A3, but if this phone launches as Mi A3 with stock Android, would you buy this? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Peace out.